Sweet Alyssum is one of the most charming and delicate flowering plants you can add to a garden. Known for its tiny, fragrant blooms and soft carpet-like growth, this lovely plant creates a gentle cascade of color wherever it is planted. Its botanical name, Lobularia maritima, may sound formal, but gardeners around the world simply appreciate it for its beauty and sweet honey-like scent. Native to the Mediterranean region, Sweet Alyssum thrives in sunny conditions and mild climates, though it is surprisingly adaptable and can flourish in a variety of settings. What makes Sweet Alyssum truly special is its abundance of tiny flowers that bloom in clusters. These flowers are most commonly white, but you can also find varieties in soft shades of pink, lavender, and purple. When planted in groups, they form a dense mat of blossoms that can brighten garden borders, pathways, and rock gardens. The plant typically grows low to the ground, reaching only a few inches in height, which makes it ideal for edging flower beds or filling gaps between taller plants. Despite its delicate appearance, Sweet Alyssum is relatively hardy and can tolerate light frost, making it a favorite for early spring and fall displays. Gardeners often choose Sweet Alyssum because it is easy to grow from seed. The seeds can be sown directly into the soil after the danger of frost has passed, or started indoors a few weeks earlier for an earlier bloom. The plant prefers well-draining soil and full sun, although it can handle partial shade in warmer regions. Once established, it requires minimal care. Regular watering helps maintain healthy growth, especially during dry periods. But the plant does not like soggy soil. Deadheading spent blooms can encourage continuous flowering, ensuring a longer season of vibrant color. One of the most delightful qualities of Sweet Alyssum is its fragrance. On warm days, the tiny flowers release a sweet, honey-like scent that attracts bees, butterflies, and other beneficial pollinators. This makes it not only a decorative addition to the garden, but also a supportive plant for the local ecosystem. Many gardeners plant it near vegetable patches to help draw pollinators that improve crop yields. Its ability to attract helpful insects while remaining low maintenance adds to its widespread appeal. Sweet Alyssum is also an excellent choice for containers and hanging baskets. Its trailing habit allows it to spill gracefully over the edges of pots, creating a soft, romantic look. Whether planted alone or combined with other colorful annuals, it adds texture and lightness to any arrangement. Because it grows quickly and blooms profusely, even beginner gardeners can enjoy satisfying results within a short time.